Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making my May menu planner and shopping list. And I started out with my blank calendar, and I filled in all the dates and Mother's Day, and I'm just going to go from there. There are a few things that I really want to make this month. Pretty much Mother's Day, I think we're going out to dinner. I do want to make stir fry, so I think I'm going to do that. I'll start out with Honey's favorite on Sunday. We're going to have spaghetti. And meatballs. And of course Wednesdays is my son's band practice night, so that's always easy meals. So we're going to have pizza a couple of nights. Might as well do it every other week. And I do want to make stir fry. So we're going to do some chicken stir fry here. And I'm going to have my son's favorite, chicken and mashed potatoes with gravy and green beans. And I did get my best friend's recipe finally for her potato soup, and I'm going to be making that. I have that here. And we'll be back after I get this filled out. Well, I finally got it done with a lot of rearranging. Thank goodness for whiteout. I like mixing up the meals so that you have a beef or pork and then a chicken or sandwich. And I'm finding that Mondays are a good day for hoagies. So I decided to add a lot of those in for a change, because I'm really sick of the same old thing. Wednesday, of course, like I said, pizza, soup, and sandwich. This is basically Lipton noodle soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. And this is one of my husband and son's favorite meals. It's simple and it stick to your ribs. So every other week we'll have pizza and soup and sandwich. And like I said, Tuesday and Thursdays I'm pretty much on my own. So I basically have salad, and any leftover meat that we have will go in there. Friday bacon cheeseburgers are always a favorite around here. But I'm trying to change up the things that go with it. Like I'm going to have tater tots with it here, french fries here. Saturdays are basically my son and myself. So we'll have leftovers. He loves chicken stir fry, so I'm going to make that for him. We both love pierogies. And I'm pretty sure that the hubby will be home on this Saturday, so I'm going to make a chicken with stuffing, mashed potatoes, corn, green beans. And Sunday dinner, that is one day we are all home together, and it is a big thing for me to have everybody sit down and eat the Sunday dinner together. So we're going to have my husband's favorite spaghetti and meatballs. And like I said, we're going to go out for Mother's Day. And I'm going to make chicken breasts with mashed potatoes and gravy. My son loves this meal, as do the rest of us. And I think I might have pork chops for a change. I haven't had those for a long time, and I'm really craving them. As far as the Mondays, I'm going to have meatball hoagies, and that'll be left over from the meatballs I make here, and I freeze them. Steakums, we haven't had those in a couple months, so I think I might splurge and get that. And bacon cheese egg hoagie. My husband loves these. It's basically a cheese omelet with bacon strips in it on a hoagie bun, and it is so good. And I'm going to break down and make myself some ground meat stew. This is comfort food for me. This is one of my mom's recipes, and it's just something I love having once in a while. So that's about it for the menu. Now I got to work on the list. So I'm going to need a whole chicken and chicken breasts and bacon and the pork chops. And I think I have enough hot dogs. I'm only having hot dogs and macaroni and cheese once this coming month, so I think I'm good with hot dogs. I do need some more soup mix and some bouillon cubes for the soup and sandwich night. And of course I need a couple pizza sauces and tomato sauce and tomato paste. We buy the spaghetti sauce. My husband loves Del Grosso, and they run it on sale every so often for $1 a jar. So we usually buy a case of it, which is 12. So that lasts me for quite a while. I do need mushrooms for the stir fry, and I want to get a couple things of gravy. And for my husband's lunches, I get the fruit snacks. So I'm going to put that down and put a sugar-free for the baby. Because you know me, I try not to feed him sugar if I don't have to. I need the deluxe stir fry and the stir fry broccoli for our chicken stir fry. I do need some California mix, and I need a thing of meatballs for in case I don't feel like making them. I do need fine noodles and wide noodles for the soup. I have plenty of macaroni and cheese left over from Lent. I did kind of stock up on that when it was on sale for Lent. I need sugar-free honey. I have been under the weather, and I've been drinking a lot of ginger tea with honey, and my honey's almost out. The usual peanut butter and jelly. And my husband's pudding. I get him the big pack of snack packs. So I'm going to get that for him. I'm getting myself the sugar-free Jell-O pudding mix. He's pretty well set for crackers, and we just loaded up on cat food, so all I need is treats and litter. We go through a ton of milk with the baby. So I need milk and chocolate milk for my honey, and 3 18 packs of eggs because I pretty much live on eggs. I do need mozzarella cheese and pizza dough. And I need bread, and I need buns. I know it says hot dog buns, but I know I need hoagie buns. And the hamburger buns for the bacon cheeseburgers. I'm almost out of my ginger tea, so I gotta buy that. And hubby's cheese doodles, his Tostitos, and his pretzels. And I'm running low on Excedrin again. I cannot function without Excedrin, that's all there is to it. It has saved me from so many migraines. The lens cloths we're running low on. I need a little baby food, not much. And he's pretty well set for diapers and wipes. And of course my produce. I need my salad mix. Tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes, bananas for the baby, carrots for my snacks. And paper products, always toilet paper and paper towels. And I need clothes detergent, fabric softener, Snuggle Boosts, and bleach. Because since we have been so sick, I'm going to disinfect this entire house. And that's pretty much all I need. And I cannot wait to see what this is going to total, because this is a little more than I usually buy at one time. But like I said, it's, whoops, I forgot green beans. But like I said, I shop once a month, and I only go out every other week to pick up the odds and ends that I need, like the salad mix and milk if we need it. But since I use Fairlife, the expiration date is so far ahead that I have never had one go bad. And I do need shampoo and cream rinse. Well, that's about it for the month of May. If this gave you any ideas, if it helps to keep you organized and spend less because it's all written out, I hope it helped. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.